Fine. So now can you read the name of all the thoughts?
बिलावल, खमाज, काफी, असावरी, भैरव, कल्याण, पूर्वी, भैरवी, तोड़ी, मारवा.
Right. So this is Bilawal, Khamaj, Kafi, Asavri, right?
Asavri.
Bhairav, Kalyan, Purvi, and this is Bhairavi.
Bhairavi.
Then we have Todi, and the last one is Marwa. Right? So in all these 10 thoughts, the notes are different. So on the basis of these thoughts, rags are composed. So each and every rag belong to a specific category of a thought. Like for example, when we talk about Rag Yaman, right? When we talk about Rag Yaman, so Rag Yaman belong to the category of Kalyan thought, right? When we talk about Rag Bilawal, so in Rag Bilawal we have all the natural notes, right? We don't have any sharp, we don't have any tivra, komal, we don't have any flat, right? But in Kalyan That or in Rag Yaman, we will be having Ma as a sharp, that is Tivrama, right?